The Interstate Battery Charger CHGIB40 features advanced smart charger technology that fully charges your battery and switches to a float maintenance charge mode automatically. This versatile charger offers quick connect and disconnect options with standard clamps or ring terminal connectors, making it easy to use in various situations. Equipped with a built-in temperature sensor and temperature compensation, the CHGIB40 ensures optimal charging voltage in any temperature environment. The device automatically transitions from a full charge to a maintenance mode, and its recovery mode allows it to resume charging after a power outage without needing a reset. The Interstate Guardian 4 is more than just a trickle charger. It can fully recharge nearly dead batteries and maintain them, offering protection with short-circuit proof and reverse polarity protection features. Ideal for everyday use or long-term storage, this charger is perfect for cars, boats, and power sports, with LED indicators to provide clear status updates.